This is the charcoal pad. This is your other filter pad. That works, this crazy thing. They will throw in that square back into the pond. Gotta keep that filtration. Of course, it helps if you don't get sidewalk junk back up onto your filter pads. They don't need to be done real good because you want to leave some of the biological stuff in there. However, the ponds that we have enough growing on the sides. I could put a new pond filter in today and it wouldn't hurt our pond the least bit. After the sidewalk dries, I'll come back out with a blower and take care of that. I made a mess all the way out to here. So now I'm gonna have to lay these babies up on the rocks to get the rest of the junk off. I just wanted the initial gook to get off in there. Walking around in the slop. Again, you don't have to get them real clean, but it's always nice. Now I need to get a net, clean that out, and deal with that terrace. Yeah, I see you, you little stink pot. Or terrace. Okay, much better. I'm going to overfill the pond for our water change. It's indeed. So this is the hose. I'm overfilling the pond. I'll let this run, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. I replanted this. It's much happier. It has some room to grow. Still need to come in and tear off all these tops to this tree. Probably do this whole branch. So I'll go through, and I already watered the base. Probably gonna get rid of this one too. So it's important to prune, give it its best life. I did the same thing with this guy when he was little too. This one will get around 6 to 8 feet. Love it. And the iced tea is still out here. Not one ant has gotten into the sugar because it doesn't tight. Already watered the garden this morning. A little azalea bush is coming out. We'll see if this one comes out or not. That one's little, but nope. Thought we had something, but that's different color leaves. This little one's doing good. Have to fix a hose leak. Gotta clean out the bird bath. We planted this last year. We relocated this here, which is hence the reason we have that baby down there. Messy sidewalk from me making a mess. That's what lake fairies do. They make a mess. They do. Between making a mess and making it weird. These guys are happy getting their water changed. Seems like a little pond, but it's not too little. Although it does look little on camera. And to me it is little compared to the one that we had before. But everything is growing so beautifully. I just love springtime. The phlox will not stay for all summer. They're spring flowers. If anyone knows how I can get them to stay throughout the summer, I'd be interested in knowing that. Our lilies. No lilies yet, but that's the plant. Hi, bumblebee. These are forget-me-nots that we took off a cliff. Last year they came back, so they will spread like crazy. And I'll probably be relocating them when they get out to here. Thinking about putting a walk path on the outside of this, and eventually we're going to have the other pond here. This needs cleaned out. The creeping Jenny is going a little crazy, but I need to get those pine needles out, put some more fill in there, and plant something up here. And the same thing down here. And yes, I know the lawn is crunchy and I need to get water on it. So I have everything from creeping Jenny to weeds. Some may say that creeping Jenny is a weed, but to me it's not. This to me is food. So, I'll have to put something up on top of there. I'm not sure as to what yet. I do want to get out and go to the store to go grab some stuff. These are dahlias popping up. Squirrels did not eat my dahlia bulbs yet. Pasta's coming up. The terrorist squirrels have been eating my roses because they're ball holes. The hydrangea's coming back. I just need to clip off everything that's dead. That's holding it back. The emerald. This was growing and now it's not, so I guess that's not going to come back. Same thing with this one, not coming back. The marigolds are coming up though. And out back we have a bunch of wild strawberries and violets. The Christmas cactus I bring outside every year. It'll be fine. It has been for almost 4 years. These are morning glories popping up. They need a drink. So yeah, it's been about 6 minutes. It was in the drink for longer than that, except before I hit record. But it hasn't started overflowing yet. I'll go check over here. No, we're not overflowing yet, so I'm gonna have to give it another 10 more minutes. This is a solar light that looks like little fireflies in a preserves jar. So we will see soon what the pond looks like after its water change. And I net out some of these pine needles. I need to throw in some more duckweed. I have tons of duckweed that I do not need in the house. That will take the nitrate out of this pond. Not that I think we'll, oh, look at that. We're overflowing over here today. So the low spots, that's where you'll Get your runoff. See, who wouldn't want to come over here and sit and have sun tea with me? Alright, well you guys have a blessed day. Take time to do some work and take time to chill out in nature and enjoy God's beauty. There's a whole lot of beauty that He's created. He wants you to enjoy it. Yep. That's where it's coming out.